If you or your child is down with a cold or cough, what do? Do you go to the nearest drugstore and get a cough syrup? Or do you go to a pharmacy and get an antibiotic to use? Or do you visit an hospital? But in a situation where the hospital is inaccessible or inconvenient, what do? Today's video is on a certified home remedy for the treatment of cough and cold for kids and for adults, and you will also learn how to prepare a cough mix in case of an emergency. The first plant for the treatment of cough and cold is ginger, Zingiber officinale. Ginger rhizome has many medicinal uses. It contains gingerol, which has potent medicinal property. It has been used to aid digestion, reduce nausea, and help fight the flu and common cold. Ginger helps fight infection. Ginger's antimicrobial property makes it useful for fighting bacterial and fungal infection. Laboratory studies has found it effective against Staphylococcus aureus, which is responsible for a range of diseases, against Escherichia coli, a cause of intestinal infection, Candida albicans, which causes fungal infection in the mouth, vagina, etc., Enterococcus faecalis, which commonly cause oral infection. Ginger also has anti-inflammatory effect. You cough when you have a sore throat or bronchitis. This inflammation can be the result of your body's immune response to an infection or an irritant. The anti-inflammatory effect of ginger can relieve a cough or sore throat by reducing inflammation. Research shows that ginger can do this by blocking inflammatory protein in the body. Ginger boosts immune system. Ginger can soothe cough and sore throat and improve your recovery time due to its compound that can boost immunity. Most coughs caused by sore throat are caused by viruses. This includes the common cold, flu, and mononucleosis. Cold medicine can't kill viruses, but ginger can. A laboratory study shows that ginger stimulates the immune system to destroy viruses. These results suggest that ginger has the potential to reduce the incidence of sore throats, relieve symptoms more quickly, and improve recovery time. In a scientific research, ginger stops the reproduction of a virus. The researchers suggest that ginger could reduce pharyngitis, which is inflammation at the back of the throat. Ginger protects you against pathogens and toxins. Ginger can help relieve coughs caused by sore throat by protecting you against bacteria, pathogen, and toxins. These include pharyngitis caused by the bacteria Streptococcus pyogenes. The second natural product is honey. Honey has several medicinal uses. It relieves cold and cough symptoms. A study found that honey is effective at reducing children's coughs during the night. Honey soothes a sore throat and cough. Honey is an old sore throat remedy that soothes the ache and can help with coughs and other forms of care for the improvement of upper respiratory tract infection. Honey is a good source of antioxidants. It has antibacterial and antifungal property. Honey helps to heal wounds and it helps with digestive issues. Honey is sometimes used to treat digestive issues such as diarrhea. Honey helps with the brain development. There are some cognitive benefits to honey. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects can benefit many parts of the body, including brain health. different forms of ginger can be used in this cough mix. Either the dried powder ginger rhizome or the freshly chopped ginger rhizome. Some research suggests that ginger have a stronger antimicrobial effect in combination with honey, which is also antimicrobial. People can make a soothing drink for a sore throat by adding freshly grated ginger and honey to hot water. In case of intense cough, clear the throat repeatedly with a ginger and honey drink for about 30 seconds before swallowing. Children can take about half a cup 3 times in a day until the cough subsides, while adults can take a full cup 3 times in a day. If you have any questions, kindly drop these in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and remember to click the like button, click the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to be aware of weekly updates on the medicinal uses of plants. See you in the next video. Bye.